Hey everybody, welcome back to a North Texas Weather Center forecast, and today what we're going over is that severe weather this afternoon and evening across portions of North Texas, the latest on the threats on what to expect, and what's on the live radar as of right now. I'll go over the timing for the rest of this evening, and as well as maybe a little brief outlook into next week. Let's get right into it. So as of right now, there is a severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued for a good portion of eastern North Texas, and as well as into northeastern Texas areas like Texarkana are also included in this. It does include some of our coverage areas, so again, the main threats today being the potential for damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour, which we've already had confirmation of a 65 mile per hour damaging wind gust not too long ago near Hamilton, and as well as the potential for hail the size of baseball. So those are our two main threats today. Let's go and take a look at some of the showers and storms currently ongoing down to our southwest. This is all south of DFW right now. You can kind of see some of these showers and storms kind of lining up right along the cold front as of right now. The cold front is actually moving through DFW right now, and you can see the big temperature difference from Granbury is only right now 79, and comparison areas like Cleburne, that is 86, Waxahachie's 91, Dallas is also 91, so there's a massive difference. And even back out to the north near areas like Sherman, if we go and zoom out real quick, you can see areas like Montague County right now near Bowie, only 64 degrees, and it's only 59 in Ardmore right now. So there's a massive difference with this whole cold front. It is now just cooling down in Denton County as well, 72 in Denton. So again, cold front's coming through. If you've already been seen and been hit by that cold front, you're likely not going to see any severe weather today. You might see an isolated shower later tonight, or maybe even into tomorrow morning, but otherwise we will not see too much in terms of at least severe weather. Take a look at the current radar as of right now. So the only severe storms as of now this is obviously pretty early into what we're expecting today. There is a severe thunderstorm right now for Hamilton County, and as well as just down to the southwest of that. This is the main threat being damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour and also $half sized hail. As of 4:32, which is about 15 minutes prior to when I was starting to record this forecast, there is currently there was a report of ping pong ball sized hail. So just keep that in mind. There's pretty large hail happening out of this storm right now. Also a little storm near Meridian right now that might become severe warned as well pretty soon. There's also a little storm right now developing near Cleburne. This will also have to be a storm to watch fairly closely as it moves off to the northeast. That might go toward areas like Dallas County in a little while. Tiny little shower developing near Greenville right now. The cap is a little bit stronger back out to the northeast, so it's preventing a good amount of storms from developing as of right now, but we have plenty of time for that cap to weaken. I would expect a couple of storms to develop somewhere out just to our east pretty soon, so keep that in mind this evening. Let's go ahead and take a look at your future radar as well as the outlook for today. As I mentioned before, there is a slight risk for severe weather out in eastern North Texas, and as well as down to our south, Cleburne, Dallas County, both included actually in those that slight risk. There's still a marginal threat for areas like Gainesville, Denton, and Bonham, as well as Mineral Wells and Stephenville, but I don't really expect much of a threat today. I know it is included in a marginal risk. I'm not too concerned about those areas though today in terms of severe weather. I'd expect most of this stuff to stay down to your south and east for this afternoon. Here's a look at the future radar. So 5 o'clock, some showers and storms again developing kind of right along that cold front, and I will go and draw it out for you. This is basically where that cold front is as of about 5 o'clock. By 6 to 7 o'clock, a few more showers and storms will develop. Again, any storms that do develop have that potential for large to very large hail and also maybe a potential for some damaging wind gusts. By 9 to 10 o'clock, a lot of these storms will be out to the east. I would expect this to be a bit more of an organized line of storms. I know it's not showing that in the future radar, but I would expect it to be a little bit more organized. But eventually by 1 to 2 in the morning, all of that's out of our coverage area. A few little showers may develop tomorrow morning, not looking to be much of a concern, but an isolated shower or rumble of thunder may occur sometime during the early morning tomorrow when you're waking up. And I don't expect too much in terms of rain tomorrow. There might be a few passing showers. Humidity is not going to be that, I mean, the dew points are going to be under 50, so I'm not really expecting us to see any severe weather tomorrow. It might just be a few passing showers, and other than that, we'll have a better chance of rain on Monday and Tuesday, looking to be widespread rain. 80 to 90% of us will likely see rain heading into Tuesday. More on that in another forecast. Make sure to subscribe here to our YouTube channel, like the video. This forecast is brought to you by Platinum Contracting, All Dents Repair, and the Dashner Law Firm.